when we look at the data front in China, it's been showing pretty steady and stable recovery in China because several ways. China was less affected by the COVID-19, and it's been recovering pretty well. And I think in the future, I think China is probably the major economy will still record positive growth this year. So it's been playing out like this. China has not, actually China has been pretty conservative on the liquidity side in order to stimulate the economy. So I think this story will continue to grow or to go in next year. So China will still go on the same trend, that steady and stable growth into 2021.
Let's talk about your investment ideas, Jackson, very quickly before we wrap up. You believe that the Shanghai Composite can actually be on the brink of a breakout. So explain that for the benefit of our viewers. And buy on dips, you recommend Tencent for that.
Yeah, the investment environment is pretty crazy at this point. It's a little bit quiet, but for China, Shanghai Composite, it's been range traded for more than 3 months. I think with this steady growth in China from the economic front, the whole stock market can have a breakout next year or by the end of this year, maybe. So the great rotations from the new technologies to old economy, I think it will continue to the first quarter next year. But people will not have very good confidence into the old economy, to grow that long time. So I still recommend investors to buy on dips on Tencent. So just to be a safer bet or for a longer term. So buy on dips on Tencent. Still for short term or for now the recovery story. Still buy some old or traditional economies, which are the main composites of Shanghai Composite. So if we see a breakout there, so the financials or the traditional economies will still outperform the new technologies. But if the new technology outperforms, Tencent will still lead the way. So I think this is a pretty good strategy at this point.